All right, Trent, thank you. They may be man's best friend, but too often our pet's health is really neglected and pooches are packing on the pounds. An estimated 50% of the nation's pet population is overweight or obese. Local 10's Christy Kruger takes a look at the potential health risks and ways to safely help your pet lose some weight. Pet therapy dog.
Pumpkin, the therapy dog, spends his days making the rounds, but that hasn't kept him from putting on the pounds.
Well, when you see him every day, you don't necessarily notice, and that's part of the problem with people and their pets, especially is when you're looking at him every day, you don't necessarily notice.
He is a good gentle dog.
Just like people, pets can quickly gain weight, especially over the holidays, when their owners tend to share their own habit of overindulging.
Also, the owners sometimes think their pet looks a little cuter or a little bigger. You know, we get that also. And so we have to explain to them that it's not really healthy to have that.
Being overweight or obese can increase an animal's risk of heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, orthopedic injuries, arthritis, respiratory disorders, and some forms of cancer. Overweight cats can also have an increased risk of lower urinary tract infections. It's fairly easy to assess your animal's weight. There should be a moderate narrowing at the waist, right between the rib cage and the hips. You should be able to feel the rib cage, and you should see an upward tuck in the abdomen. Dr. Bieber puts calculations from a body conformation exam into a program that determines exactly how much weight the animal needs to lose.
You don't want to lose too much too fast. Do it slowly.
That can be accomplished with special lower-calorie foods and an increase in exercise. The same common-sense approach that works for their owners, too.
Now, veterinarians say it really is a myth that spaying or neutering makes an animal fat, but there are underlying health conditions that can affect weight. Be sure to have your pet examined by a veterinarian to rule out possible heart, thyroid, or metabolic issues. I'm Christy Kruger, Local 10 News. And Pumpkin's lucky there's a treadmill there at the hospital.